So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix your Frigidaire ice maker arm stuck in the up position, release and reset steps. So fix 1 is clear the ice and frost. Turn off power by unplugging the refrigerator or flipping the kitchen circuit breaker. Remove the ice bin by pulling the entire ice bucket out of the batter axis. Locate the blockage by examining the two plastic pivot joint holding the wire arm. Melt the frost by soaking a cloth in hot water and pressing it against the joint. Clear the fill tube by checking the small water spout above the tray and melting any ice inside it. Second fix is unstick and reset the arm. Gently pull the wire arm toward you. Slowly guide the arm downward into the active ice maker position. Listen for a click to confirm the arm is flat and secure. Check that the plastic ejector finger inside the mold tray are pointing horizontally. Third fix is system reboot. Flip the ice maker power switch to the on or I position. Then slide the empty ice bucket firmly back into its track. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet. Allow the unit 24 hours to produce its first ice bath of rice. Thanks for watching.